body yourself some time that so that body can adapt to whatever you're doing, because your body had something and suddenly you've been eating so much and suddenly you stop something and you're expecting body to understand something. No,
Yes.
it's not going to happen overnight like that, but give it some time.
So Tom, now that we were talking about food, etc., right? We would have come
Mhm.
across a lot of people, okay, where they'll be willing to start or get into this fitness journey, but they give up very soon, be it lack of
Yeah.
motivation or they don't see any changes. So what do you want to say on this?
So, first and foremost thing, why people come for gym, they wanted motivation. They're not actually coming for some this, that, anything, etc. They're coming for motivation, and that is one thing which people are searching for rather than bringing it within themselves.
Right.
Yeah. So how would I put it together to you is like, let's see, you know what you need it, right? And if you give up that easily, it's not going to give result. If you're looking to have some results very soon, that's not going to happen. Every body is different. Let's say I'm seeing Satvika. Oh my God, Satvika has reduced within 3 months, and it's 3 months I have not put on. Why am I even comparing with Satvika? Because I'm not Satvika, correct? I'm
Right.
me. I have to understand what my body. That's why I'm always telling what understand yourself, what you are, what your body needs, right? That's what you need to understand, and that will definitely not. So stop comparing with anyone, because nobody can be you. Only you can be you. So focus on yourself and just have a routine. Like it's not only like losing weight, even losing inches, right? And if you start feeling yourself, I used to. I have one story to tell you. There was one of my clients who used to come. Like almost 3 to 4 months, she felt like she didn't lose weight. It was always fluctuating 1 kg down, up and down like that. She was so upset. But she told me one thing, Tom. When I joined, I was not taking stairs. I used to only use my elevator.
Okay.
Now I'm able to, because whenever I take stairs, I gasp, I run out of breath, and I can't do that. It my knees hurt and all those things. But now I'm able to do it. I just told a simple thing, that is fitness, right? Your
Yes.
What you mentally feel, what your body feels, how your body is able to react after your journey is also
Right.
fitness. So understand that if you're feeling this also, you are getting into the right track.
Yes.
Your body mass and all those things, like losing weight, you're not losing weight, no, eventually it will happen. Just give your body yourself some time, that so that body can adapt to whatever you're doing, because your body had something and suddenly you've been eating so much and suddenly you stop something and you're expecting body to understand something. No,
Yes.
it's not going to happen overnight like that, but give it some time. Just keep yourself motivated, find your motivation, right?
Yes.
Just find yourself, like, go get up in the morning, go look into the mirror. Yes, this day I'm going to do something different. This day I'm going to be positive. This day I am going to ensure I'm not going to be the old me, what I was yesterday, right? Just keep telling it for yourself. Don't complicate things. Go work out. Simple as that. Yeah.
Awesome, amazing. That's very well said, Tom, because everyone's body is different, and if you want changes instantaneously, that doesn't happen. We need to put in
Definitely,
some
yeah.
effort.
And anything instant is also not good. There
Exactly.
are places which offers instant and stuff and all, but yeah, that doesn't go well. Your body needs
Right.
some time for you to, yeah,
True, true. Very well said. Thank you so much,
yeah,
Tom.
something. Yeah.
So, Tom, now that we spoke about fitness and all, now we'll play a small game, okay? I'll show you some pictures and then you tell me
Don't
what
create
comes to mind.
controversies, okay?
No. It's all about you.
Yeah.
It's all about
Okay,
you. Don't
all
worry.
about me. I can be controversial too. No, I'm just joking. Tell me,
Yeah, tell us more about this picture.
when did this happen? I can see a lot of pictures.
Yes.
So cool.
Like I said, I
Yeah,
have
so
my
people
sources.
who do not know, yeah, that's my wife and my son. And the art behind is something like Vian used to scribble a lot, and so like I told you, I used to draw also. This is one of the things. So he asked, and all the scribblings we made it to art in the wall. Yeah,
That's amazing. This is your hidden talent, Tom. You are so good at it.
thank you so much. Thank you so much.
This is amazing. Okay, let's go to the next picture.
Yeah,
Yeah, tell us more about this.
gravity. Yay! This is in Wipro. That's nice. How did you get all these pictures? Okay, good you know my wife.
Yeah. I should
Nice.
thank her.
Yeah. So people who know me as Tom, that's my actual name, Thomas Arak Arun Prasad. That will give you a sense that I had a joint family, very big family. So everybody had an option. My grandfather kept all the name together. Don't fight. Let's keep everything together. That's how my name became so big, and I had high time. Like passports everywhere. I had a
Yes.
lot of issues. I don't get those boxes to fill completely sometimes.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is about your dance in Wipro. So let's go to the
Yeah.
next picture.
We won this. Wow, it's amazing.
Yeah. Tell us more about this. Your one
Oh
more
my God,
hidden
yeah,
talent.
She shared all these things, is it? This is something I like to cook. I like to bake stuffs and all. This and all, like I check YouTube and try to do something. Yeah, I have
Okay.
interest in doing all these things also. I think the top one is a apple cinnamon cake. Wow, that was the
Ah.
best cake I ever made so far. You
Okay.
can see those apple pieces in the between, right? Just
Yes.
made some design out of it. And
Right.
that was Vian's birthday, third birthday, where I
Okay.
made donuts. I prepared that cake, that chocolate glazing, all those things.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So this is your hidden talent. We have not seen any of these pictures on Instagram.
No, I used to put it, but I mean, like the active Tom becomes a little lazy at home sometimes. So I don't do it often because once I come back home, I want to be in my zone. I want to spend quality time resting and stuff and all. So
Right.
I just ensure, yeah. But whenever I get time, I do this, yeah, and I love to do
Great.
that.
Great, amazing. And I have to say, whatever I mentioned in the beginning, multi-talented, the tag actually suits you.
I think probably God's grace, I guess.
Yeah.
Or I think over enthusiasm. Yeah, whatever.
That's nice. Okay, let's go to the next picture. Huh.
Yay! That was my first dance in Wipro. No, this is the second dance in Wipro. So this was
Okay.
one second. Even in this contest, we won. This was my
Ah.
second or third performance. Only four
Okay.
of us were there.
Okay.
And this was for that one Telugu song, Ringa Ringa.
Okay. You had posted this on Instagram and you had asked, but people told it would be either Ek Niranjan or Ringa Ringa. So I thought I'll post it
Correct.
and you will
Correct.
give us a description. Okay.
Yeah, and we apparently won. And you don't know, like this was the time like a lot of people in the company got to know me also. Hey, Tom, and yeah, this is like some sweet memories which I can't forget. Like only 4 people were there, and we just randomly did something, but it became a big hit.
Amazing.
I think I should post this video. I have this video
Yeah.
of that competition wherever auditions. The final performance. I have it. I think I
Okay.
should put it in.
Yes, yes. Please post it. Okay. Here
What's
is.
next? My heart is beating fast. What's gonna be next? Oh my gosh! I'm so chubby, right, on the top.
No, not much. But yeah,
I
you
think
keep
probably the
posting.
camera angle, the cameraman was good. My wife, she's taken and kept me a little slim, I guess. Yeah, I have love towards shades. I love wearing shades. That was like my that's my sister.
Okay.
Where you're seeing, no? Yeah,
Right,
this
right.
is this. I think I don't know what age. It's hard to. I mean, like, I don't know. But yeah, that's me. You can see Vian there, right?
Yes, yes. It's similar to you. Yes, and
Yeah.
also the way you wore your shades and posing it, right? So you
See,
have
style
that.
was there always.
Nice. That's
Yeah.
good.
I
Okay.
mean,
Nice. Now that we saw all this, I have one more thing to pull up.
You want to tell everybody that I sing like this?
Oh, you sing really well. Literally, I've heard it around 3 to 4 times since yesterday. It's really nice.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Please
so much. This is
sing.
also something which I like. I used to, my neighbors used to scold and all.
Ah.
Like once I got my first computer,
Okay.
I started exploring. I love gaming and things, and singing is also one thing which I wanted to try it.
Okay.
And so my mom and dad used to sing really well in their
Okay.
childhood. Yeah, they sing well now, but now anyways their voice little bit like they're growing old, no. But they used to sing nicely. Maybe from them I had a love towards singing also. So
Okay.
I used to take YouTube karaoke's. I put it in some software, take the mic and shout, scream, and whatever way I can do. I have
Okay.
a SoundCloud account also. I put a lot of songs which I have recorded, and I have a hard disk also. Yeah, but I used to keep
Oh,
experimenting and trying new things, and that was also like, I sing. I try to edit. They're also mixing, music mixing, and all. How I learned is through all this things what I did. Yeah, and
nice.
this was one of the
Do,
performances when I was working for HP.
nice. Do you remember a song
Yeah.
that you sung? Can you sing it for us? I want to listen to it in Thai.
Satvika, you didn't tell me
Two
this.
lines. Two lines, please. I wanted it to be on spot.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So this song is, anyways, you know who I am dedicating it to, right?
Yes.
It's been a long time I've never sung, so my
Okay.
voice is a bit shaky, but yeah, let me try it.
Yes.
Mm. ನನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕನಸೊಂದು ನಿನದೆಂದು ನೀ ತಿಳಿದಿದ್ದೆ ನೂರೆಂಟು ನೋವಲ್ಲು ನೀ ಬಂದು ಜೊತೆಯಿದ್ದೆ ಕಾರ್ಮೂಡ ಕವಿದ ಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಸ ಬೆಳಕು ತಂದು ಸುರಿದೆ ನಿನಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಬದುಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಡಿಪು ಎಂದೆ ಈಗೆಲ್ಲಿ ನೀ ಹೋದೆ ಕನಿಗರಿಸಿ ನೀ ಬಾರೆ ಎದಗೋದಿನ ಉಸಿರು ನೀನೇ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
Awesome. Amazing. Raghu
Thank
Dixit
you,
will be
Satvika.
very happy listening to this.
No, I don't know. People who, I mean, like, who speak Kannada,
Yeah.
I'm sorry if my lyrics are somewhere here and missed out, but like, my mother tongue is not Kannada, but I love the language, I love the music, I love the people, and yeah.
Nice. That's amazing. People will definitely be very happy because you've learned and you love the language, Kannada.
Yeah, but yeah, if I fluently speak, I can 95% I can fluently speak Kannada.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah,
Very
yeah.
nice.
But only thing is, whenever I switch into a news channel, I still can't figure it out. That
Okay.
pure Kannada I can't, but yeah, casual Kannada where I want to communicate with people, I can definitely do
Okay.
that. Yeah. Yeah.
Nice. That's amazing. Okay, Tom, we've already come to the end of the show and I didn't know how time passed by.
Yeah.
So before we end
Yes,
this show,
okay.
can you tell us your fitness mantra? Though we spoke about fitness all this while.
Yeah. I'm not very sure you have seen it in multiple places or not, but I always use this. My fitness mantra is simple: rock, inspire, and make an impact. So why do I say that? I wanna get up each and every day, rock that day. If the way what I'm doing, rock isn't like whatever I do, whatever I take it up, and if that inspires you, and make an impact in their life. So that's my mantra. So I always live by it. So I always tag this particular lines everywhere. So yeah, that's about it,
Amazing.
Satvika. Yeah,
Amazing, Tom. That was really nice, rising and inspiring. Too good.
thank
Yes.
you so much.
And now, thank you so much, Tom, for being a super enthusiastic and a fabulous guest and making this finale episode even more success. So, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Satvika. Thank you so much for doing this. And I'm telling you, this is just the start. We still have a lot of days, a lot of time to inspire people, and there's like a lot of people are waiting to get that motivation what they need. And
Right.
yeah, so rather like more than transferring fitness to them, we are transferring inspiration,
Right.
transferring something what they will inspire somebody else later, and
Yes.
that you have started, and that's one of the primary reason I was really convinced I need to come and I need to be part of this.
Thank you so much.
Glad you're doing this and continue doing this. Things will there will be a time where everything picks up. There will be a
Right.
time when everything right. You will definitely reach a lot more people, and good wishes for that. And
Thank you so
thank you so much. Continue dancing, and I really want to see you remixing some reels soon. Okay.
Sure. I'll definitely do that. Thank you so much, Tom.
Sure.
And
Sure, Satvika.
I can't end this episode without thanking Sushma. She's been of great support, and whenever I asked her things, she was like, okay, yes, I'll share this stuff. So thank you so much, Sushma, for being so supportive.
yeah, definitely. I also want to take a quick moment to thank her because if was not for her, I wouldn't have been able to make this change, right?
Right.
Who will be ready to sacrifice? Like I was in a well-paid job, and I want to move into fitness. I want to move into do things what I love, and if not for her, definitely this is not going to be me, right? The Tom who's sitting here, it's all because of her. It's her. She supported me doing this, and
Nice.
yeah, she is my biggest support, biggest source of inspiration too. And she's a fabulous dancer. We are
Yes.
posting a reel also very soon. You're gonna see.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah,
I'm excited.
yeah,
That's
Satvika.
amazing. Okay, now that we've come to an end of this season, fitness is not an option, fitness is not a choice, but fitness is life. Get inspired and keep inspiring. Thank you.
Fitness is not an option, it's a lifestyle. So let's rock, inspire, and make an impact together. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And do not forget to click the notification icon too, alright?